In 1996, archaeologists made one of the most baffling discoveries ever made in North America. This spear point was found in Virginia. When Bruce saw it, he was amazed. It looked identical to those discovered in France. Carbon dating showed it was buried 17,000 years ago, when archaeologists believed North America was uninhabited. It was a revelation. Could it indicate the impossible?
The idea that people may have populated the New World from Europe, the European continent, is so dramatically different from anything I was ever taught that it's almost an unbelievable concept.
For almost a century, scientists have believed that North America wasn't discovered until 12,000 years ago, when people from Asia crossed a land bridge from Russia to Alaska. But what Bruce had seen challenged the accepted theory.
It was one of those sort of, no, this can't be, and yet, how can it not be? Because it's there. It's right there in front of us.
Had Europeans brought their technology to North America 6,000 years before anyone else? And if they had, the even tougher question facing scientists was, how? To reach North America, they would have to cross the ultimate natural barrier, the Atlantic Ocean.
All the kings and queens of the world's great mythologies were in fact the lost royalty of Atlantis. The Greek god Atlas, who carried the world on his shoulders, was one and the same as the Mexican Toltec god Quetzalcoatl. Both, he said, were variations of an ancient Atlantean god. Even the concept of pyramids, both Mayan and Egyptian, sprang from Atlantis.
If there are pyramids in Egypt and pyramids in the Americas, the pyramid, the idea of the pyramid, originated on Atlantis. And when the people left Atlantis, some went to Egypt and took their pyramid ideas with them, and some went to the Americas and built pyramids there.
But is it possible that two societies, situated thousands of miles apart, could be linked to the same source?
They both had the same astronomy, they both had the same calendars. There's a Mayan, one of their leaders, leaving from a volcano and going out into the sea, which is the same story that Plato told about Atlantis.
The Atlanteans did exist, but they were only the third of 7 root races of mankind, their predecessors being a race called the Lemurians. The Lemurians had also sunk into the sea in one of many worldwide floods. Echoing this belief and the story of Noah in the Bible, even Plato wrote of a recurring cycle of natural disasters.